Just got home. This is a great angle to a package. Let's open this bad boy. Can anyone guess? There we go. Now you can actually see what it is. Oh, finally we meet. It's really nice here. How do they know that this is my first time ordering? That's crazy. Bomb stickers. Oh, I'm so excited. So I needed a new mascara and heard really good things about the Lash Slick. So we'll give it a try maybe tomorrow. And my eyebrows are always out of control. So I was like, I gotta sort this out. I hope this is the right color though. I bought it in blonde, so I'm hoping it's not like too warm of a tone. I guess my eyebrows are kind of warm, but you know. So we'll try it out tomorrow. So excited. Just going for a sunset stroll. Today we've done a lot of editing and YouTube stuff. We filmed a video and I'm editing my London video, and it's just so nice out tonight that we wanted to get outside again. Even though we are outside all this morning, we're walking to the co-op. So British. Say hi.
Hello.
Look at that sunset. It's gorge. What's up, everyone? It's Wednesday morning, and I just thought I would take you through some of my makeup faves that I'm loving right now, and also try my new Glossier stuff. So let's do this. Obviously, you gotta put on some Catherine Rising Solve. Love this stuff. It's just coconut oil, olive oil, beeswax, and essential oil. This is the first day I've done my hair in about since I've got to England. So I'm gonna start off with this Fenty Beauty concealer in linen, and this one I have been loving. Like, I use it every day. It's just super easy because it's a stick, and I like just put on a tiny bit, and it has lasted me for so long. So just put a little bit, and this is like, I don't wear any foundation, so this is all I do. Good. Look a little crazy. Just blend that, and just kind of neutrals out my redness. I do tend to get a lot of redness. A little bit better, covers over some acne scars and whatnot. And then I needed a bronzer so bad, and I was in Walmart one day, like a month ago, and I picked up this e.l.f. one, and it actually is amazing because it has like a little bit of a shimmer, so I don't really wear highlighter. This is all I need. Put it on, straight in there, same brush. Cool. Done. And then this I got from Sephora for my birthday last year. Still going strong. Just a little blush. It's from Tarte. And then we're on to eyes. I like don't do anything really. Maybe I'll put a little bit of this gold stick. Don't even know where this is from, but it's in my makeup bag because it's easy. Smudge it in a little. Okay, now it's time for the fun stuff. I'm so excited. Okay, so this is my first time trying anything Glossier. Let's try Boy Brow. I ordered it in blonde, as I said earlier, but I am a little bit worried that I might be too warm. And I know other people that have like the same color eyebrows as me, and they got the brown one. So hopefully it's gonna be okay. Oh, it's so cute. I feel like you can't even tell a difference, which is probably a good thing. Mainly got this because my eyebrows are always a hot mess. As in they're like always sticking up. So, figured this would help keep them down a little bit. Alright, other side. Can you tell? I guess you can kind of tell. In the video, they look a little more done. Wow, this is weird. I've never done anything to my eyebrows, so... Wow. I guess they do kind of look like something happened. Well, that's good. Anyway, so maybe I'll keep that. They look good. They look subtle, but done. I don't know, I kind of feel like they look like a boy's eyebrow. Great branding. Alright, now we're on to the Lash Slick, which is their new mascara, and I am pumped to try it. Ran out of mascara and I was like, I need the boy brow, so I might as well just get both. Alright, here we go, friends. With, without. Yeah, it does a really good job at just like separating them and making them look super natural, which I love. Obviously, my eyelashes on this eye are way better than the ones on this eye. They've always been like that. But yeah, wow, this is great. Great stuff. Glossier. That's me. Done. Hope you like this. I love it. Sorted. Mikey is just doing some editing over there on the couch this morning, and I am baking some scones and gonna try and make some clotted cream, but it's just gonna end up being like coconut whipped cream because you just use like the cream from the coconut can. And yeah, so hopefully it turns out good. I've been craving scones ever since we got to England, obviously. So I tried to make them. Let's see how they turn out. The finished product.
Thank you.
It's dinner time, and I made vegan garbage plates, but you know, it's not right until you just put a little bit of sauce. Want any?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
How is it?
Delicious.
Yum. Just out here gonna attempt to cut Mikey's head. I mean hair. Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday? Thursday. And we are off to see England play. Mikey gave me a jersey so I can fit in. But otherwise, I would just say I'm supporting the red team because I don't really know anything. But yeah, we're excited. We're going. Mikey's friend got some free tickets. So we're off.
Come on! You gotta show your shirt. Come on, and go. Hey!
Give us a wave. Proper fan right here.
Hello, it's me.
Probably get stage fright. Oh, man.
So long, I know we've grown, but I can't stop driving at night.
You can do that! Where are we at?
You tell me.
Yeah. Sausage and Cider Fest.
You make me feeling it's real, and we watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. We watch the sunset. Fall in love. Bring it down.
Go on, babe. Just leaving the Cider and Sausage Fest. It was a great time. It is sausage and cider, says Mikey. I don't know, whatever order it is. We got some chips, got some cider, got some sausage. Vegan sausage, of course. It was really good. Lots of fun, but it's about 8:30 and I think it's obviously still going. You can hear the music behind me, but we can't hang. So we're walking home, gonna go chill, but it was a really fun time. Really good. So would definitely recommend. It's beautiful countryside. It's like in a farm. So British. Mikey, anything to add? No? I got it all? It's a good time.
Puppy boy. Cider, cider.
What you got?
What you got?
What's in there?
You tell me.
We got 2 veggie burgers and some chips
Solid.
for a solid night in after we've been out all day.
Oh, hello. Bob's down. Fred's down.
One gust of wind and they're down.
I just didn't dig it in.
Another day, another filming sesh. Good morning, everyone.
Do you remember all the times we kissed under the stars and drove to San Diego?
On today's segment of Workout with Mikey, we're gonna do some jungle gym stuff.
It's actually very difficult.
You're struggling.
I got it.
Wow, babe.
Pretty much got it, right?
Doing great.
Working it out. Yeah. Yeah, working it out.
You flossing? One minute in. We got our bread.
You want to do the zip line just once?
I actually do want to do the zip line.
Let's do it.
Go on then. Go on.